Hey everyone, welcome back to January edition of Monthly Cloud series. So today we will be exploring a wide range of updates from Amazon Web Services on the month of January. So let's get started. Have you ever wished for more detailed traffic insights in your AWS Web console? Well, good news. AWS just launched the Top Insights visualization. Starting January 3, 2025, the AWS Web console now has new, richer visualizations on the dashboard that make it easier to understand the top sources of your traffic. For customers using CloudWatch logging destinations, there's a new top insight section within all traffic dashboard. This new feature offers even deeper visibility into your traffic by pulling insights from your logs, not just CloudWatch metrics. You will see things like terminating rules, client IPs, URI paths, and more, all of which will help you get a clearer picture of your security posture. So, if you notice any suspicious traffic from a certain IP address, for example, you can quickly create an IP blocking rule to protect yourself. It's all about helping you stay one step ahead of potential security issues. Just a heads up, CloudWatch standing price still applies for any metrics and logs you query. You can find more details on pricing and other info in the AWS documentation itself. This feature is available across all AWS commercial regions where WAF is supported, except for region China. So moving forward, here's an awesome new integration for AWS Security Hub users. AWS now supports Amazon Route 53 Resolver DNS Firewall. Yes, you heard it right. This is a game changer for security, especially if you want to keep a closer eye on malicious or low reputation domains in your VPCs. So, what does this mean for you? Well, with this new integration, you can now receive security findings directly in AWS Security Hub for DNS queries that come from your Amazon VPCs. If a query is made to a domain that's flagged as malicious or low reputation, you will be alerted. Route 53 Resolver DNS Firewall is a managed firewall that helps block these risky DNS queries and allows trusted ones to go through all automatically. This feature is available in all AWS regions where Amazon Route 53 Resolver DNS Firewall is supported. So be sure to check out the AWS documentation for more info. This is a big step towards giving you a more streamlined view of your security posture. So next up, AWS is making it easier to manage multiple accounts at once with a new feature that's going to save you time and effort, multi-session support in the AWS Management Console. Now instead of switching between different tabs or browsers, you can sign in up to 5 AWS accounts at the same time in a single browser. Before you have to switch the different browser to logging into the different accounts for AWS. But now within the same browser, you can open the 5 AWS accounts at the same time. So why is this useful? Well, many customers use multiple accounts to organize their environments, like having separate ones for development, testing, and production. With this new feature, you can now troubleshoot, compare configurations, and manage resources across those accounts without constantly logging in and logging out. It's all right there in one place, so it's hassle-free. Multi-session support is available in all commercial regions, so you can start using it today by simply signing into the AWS console and turning it on from the account menu. And don't worry if you ever need to opt out. You can easily do that anytime too. For more details, be sure to check out the AWS console documentation. As we continue to make your debugging process even smoother, AWS CodePipeline has just rolled out an exciting new feature in the AWS Management Console. Now, if you are working with CodePipeline, you will notice an enhanced debugging experience that helps you pinpoint and fix pipeline failures faster. There's a brand new debugging page accessible right from the Action Details button in the left navigation bar. This page gives you a simplified view of your pipeline, showing both execution and action details in the same panel. The layout is much cleaner, so you can easily track the pipeline's progress and dive into debugging action failures with just a few clicks. So this new feature is available in all AWS regions where CodePipeline is supported, except for China regions. To learn more about CodePipeline and how to use this new debugging feature, check out the AWS product page for all the details. Next up is big update for AWS S3 users. Amazon S3 metadata is now generally available and it's here to make your life easier. S3 metadata automatically collects both system and custom metadata as you upload your objects like size or source, and even tags like product SKUs or transaction IDs. Plus, it updates in near real time, so you are always working with the latest info. These metadata tables are stored in AWS S3 tables, and you can use AWS tools like Antenna or QuickSight to query and visualize the data. It's perfect for real-time applications and business analytics. Right now, it's available in US East North Virginia, US East Ohio, and US West Oregon. Check out the S3 metadata overview for more details. So that's it for this month's AWS updates. I hope you found these new features helpful. For more info or any of the updates we covered, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And also you can visit the AWS official website or documentation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.